guys, many of you were wondering about how to use volume on each of these tracks. I'm gonna play this music for you. So we have our master volume here. Here's the master volume on the top. Gonna pause it. If you want just track 1's volume to be lower, in Soundtrap it has individual volume buttons, but in EarSketch we're going to code to manipulate the volumes for each track. So here are our codes. In order to add the effect, we're going to make a new line. You can enter how many different times. It'll ignore all those empty blank lines. So I'm going to use this code called set effect, and it pops up right away just like it did for Fit Media. I'm gonna click on it. Now if you forget these codes, you can go over here to the API where it stores all the library of the functions and codes we will be using. So set effect. Now I want to make the drum track and play around with it. So drum track, the purple one, is on track 1. So double click on word track and replace that with 1. And for type, we will use volume for it. Now, if you forget, you can go over here on the curriculum, and it has all different references and resources for different effects. So I'm going to click on use effects. I'm going to make this a bit bigger, and it shows you exactly how to do it. Okay, bring this down. Let's see what our parameters are for doing the volume. So we got our track 1. Now we have to, for type, double click on word type, and capital word volume, cap locks, volume. And you can just click on that, and we got our volume. And what does it say over here? Gain. So for our parameter, we're going to type in all caps GAIN, gain, and click on it. And then for volume, in EarSketch, you can go from, right here it says, the effect value, the fourth argument or parameter, is a number of decibels between -60 and +12. So let's try -60 for our value, -60. And here, just ignore that pop-up and let it be by itself. So let's use that set effect and see how it sounds. Here's original. So we can hear the drum and the voice pretty nicely. But let's try this new effect on track 1. Let's run it. Notice under track 1, it has a little very faint line over here. And we'll see that line move up as we make this go higher, but let's see. Let's see what this sounds. Again, we control track 1 drum beat. Oops, we rerun it. I only hear a voice. The drum track is gone down to almost pretty much nothing. So -60 is the lowest sound that we can do, volume 0. Right? Now I'm gonna change that number to, how about negative, 40. Let's see what that does. I'm gonna run it again. Notice that little faint line goes up because we've raised the volume up a little bit more. We ran it and play it. Let's go from the beginning. I could faintly, very slightly hear the drums. Now I'm gonna try it volume negative, how about -20? Run it again. Notice this line right here, move up. Bam. All right, let's hear it. There's the drum in the background. I'm gonna try Again, the highest we can go is positive 12. Negative 60 to positive 12. So, you know what? Let's try 0. Let's see what that brings. 0, run it. Back to the beginning and play. Huh. I hear it loud and clear. So if you like that, you can stop there, but I'm gonna try the highest. I'm just gonna put 12 there and see what that does. Run. Notice the line went even higher. Now, 12, the highest level, I think it does overpower the voice. So I'm going to go back to volume 0 or decibel 0 and run it and hear it again. You can choose it however you like. So, and you can do the same thing for track 2. Set effect. Oops. Set, I entered too fast. Set effect, the second one. Enter. Track 2. Type volume. Parameter gain. And let's see, volume. You know what, I'm gonna make this font negative 60 just to show you. And run it. Ooh. So notice it's even the same color. Track 1 volume, track 2, and track 2 volume. Here we go, let's see it. Or let's play it rather. Only the drum. But I'm gonna make it, how about negative 10. Let's see what that does. Run it. Beginning and go. Obviously we want higher. 12. Run. Hey, and you can even do it while the music is going. Alright, hope this helped.